Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity, sir. My special mention is need to establish an Aiims hospital in rural area of Manipur. Sir, within a short span of time, there are around 25 Aiims hospitals established at different regions of the country. This is a remarkable achievement for the NDA government led by the Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji to meet the healthcare requirements of 140 crore Indians. We need establishment of medical institutes like Aiims in all corners of the country to extend inclusive health care facilities to remote and rural areas of the country. This will enable the rural poor people to access affordable and quality medical care. The present medical infrastructure in Manipur is also inadequate in comparison with population. Besides this, due to lack of expertise, hundreds of patients are going outside the state for medical treatment, facing economic hardship. By establishing an Aiims hospital in Manipur, quality and affordable health care facilities could be provided to the needy and poor rural peoples of the state. The institutes can be a referral hospital for the entire region, and specific research on cancer, which is very rampant in the state, and also complex diseases could be treated. So I urge upon the Union government to establish a full-fledged Aiims hospital in rural areas of Manipur to address the health care of the poor rural people of Manipur. Thank you, sir.